Okay, we'll have a look at the Fun with Mindbook application. Here's a mind map that I've got open here already. Okay, if we look at this, we can see that we've got certain nodes there, and we've typed something in the node. And on this particular one, I've actually got links to files. Now, to insert another node, you simply draw it, choose your connector, even if you want a squiggly connector, and simply connect them up like that. Now, each of these items that I've placed in here, these files have been actually embedded into the mind map. So if you were to give this to your students, they would have that file embedded into the mind map. I can also embed, as I've done down here, a link to a website, or down the bottom to the left here, I've actually embedded a note into the node as well. Okay. Now, as well as in inserting pictures and clip art, you can insert these resources, web links, file links, and sticky notes. Okay, so that's an example of how you could create a mind map. There's also inking ability in this program. Okay, if you take your ink, I'll just write the word test here. Okay, if we click the ink to node button and circle that, it'll turn that into a node, and we can then link to it. So if you've got an interactive whiteboard or a tablet PC, you can actually do handwritten mind maps in this program. I'll just click on new and choose a new mind map. Okay, this gives us a blank canvas to start with. Another thing you might like to do is put a new note in. Now, we've got quite a number of templates in here, fishbones, we've got relationship charts, quite a few different types there. I'll just insert a new note. Now, what we can do is take a copy of some text, and we can paste that text in there, and we can work with the text. Now, this is one of the advantages of this piece of software. We can do a two-step process where we actually highlight keywords and we put them into a hierarchical list here on the left hand side. Okay, I'll just delete that one there. Okay, we'll just start again and have a look at this. Reptiles, we've got lizards, we've got snakes, and we've got other types of reptiles as well. Okay, so you may have gone through with students, and you may have highlighted keywords that you want to bring into this mind map. Okay, and once you've done that, for example, snakes, we might look through here and say cold-blooded is a feature of snakes, and put that under there. Now, what this does, when you push the convert button, it automatically makes a mind map for you. You can then take those nodes and you can work with them, you can add content to them and build your own mind map and add more information as you go. Okay, we'll just have a look at the tabs here on the Insert tab. You might notice that all of the icons here are very bright and colourful and very self-explanatory, easy for students to understand. You can insert different shaped nodes as well as lines, pictures and clip art. You've got your resources, which we looked at before, and you can also add space as well. For those people with interactive whiteboards or tablet PCs, you have inking. You can choose the color of the ink, and you can choose the highlighter and the color of the highlighter as well. And you've also got different page layouts. When you're in the notes, okay, you can actually set the background of the page there. Okay, as an added advantage, we also have a layers function where you can put different information on different layers, and we have a document explorer so you can keep all of your documents together, as well as a calendar for organizing events. Okay, I'll just close that up. Okay, so that's our mind mapping application, Fun with Mindbook.